We all love to listen to music, but what if I told you that you can make money by listening to music and just using your mobile phone? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1 over and over unlimited times with no experience and so easy. Everyone can do it, okay? So stick with me because this is what I'm going to show you in this video and you are gonna love it. And like you're seeing here, this is the income proof from Music X-Ray. This is one of the websites that I'm going to show you in this video. And here is the second income proof, which is a PayPal income proof from a website that is called Unique Rewards. So I know that a lot of you guys will skip parts or even skip this video, but hey, how do you expect to make money online if you're not even committed to watch the whole video? Okay, so watch the whole video. If not, you won't understand a lot of things. By the end of this video, this is what you are gonna learn. You will discover three methods on how to make that $1. I will show you the websites that you have to visit, and also I will show you the sign up process, and you will discover how to boost your income and make even more. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So the first website in our list, guys, is Unique Rewards. So this is the website. This is how it looks like. So Unique Rewards is one of the website in this video. It is offering a lot of opportunities to make money online. The sign up process is very easy. All you have to do is to click here and they will direct you to this page. Okay, all you have to do is to fill in all the information, your first name, last name, the country, the address, the city, all the information. Okay, just make sure to put your real email address and not some fake email, otherwise you won't get the confirmation link. And if you don't get the confirmation link, you cannot expect to make money from this website. Okay, so let me show you how you can make money from this one. There are actually a lot of ways to do that: by completing surveys and offers, watching videos, listening to the radio, clicking ads, shopping online, reading emails. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can use here to make money online, and it is automatically. Okay, so you don't have to waste time on searching because they will send you the offers automatically to you exactly. Okay, but what I want you to focus on is listening to the radio and watching videos, because actually you won't watch the videos and you won't listen to the radio. You can mute them. Okay, you can mute the videos and the radio and let them operate in the background of your laptop or your PC, and go and do other things like completing surveys or reading emails, because shopping online, that's basically you have to pay to do that. Okay, and the reason I'm doing this video is to show you how you can make money and not how to waste it. Okay, so this is how the website looks like, and if you need even more information, just make sure to go to the frequently asked questions. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So let me show you another way on how you can make money with this website. You can actually refer people to Unique Rewards and make even more. So you can expect to make $1 for every person you refer to the website. If that person made only $0.1, which is 10 cents. Okay, if that person made only 10 cents, you can make $1. But what if that person made $20? So that person now is an active person, and you can expect to make $5 for everyone that make $20. Okay, for everyone that you referred and make $20. And also they pay 10% of the qualified earnings received by your referrals for your lifetime. Okay, so let's assume that your referral made for example $10. You will make $1 from him lifetime. Okay, every time one of your referrals make $10, you will make $1 out of him. And yes, what you have to know, guys, is that there is a minimum threshold if you want to cash out your money, and the minimum threshold on this website is $20. Once you hit the $20 mark, you can expect to cash out your money through PayPal. Okay, and take a look at this. How do I earn cash. So there are actually a lot of ways to make money from this website: cash offers, cash surveys, cashback shopping, click cash, cash email messages, video offers, radio offers, and offer walls. Okay, so actually there are a lot of ways to make money on this website, a lot of methods, and so you don't have to be afraid from running out of methods of making money. Okay, so because there are a lot of ways to make money online, but some of them, or the majority of them, there aren't unlimited offers. With this one, you don't have to be afraid from that, because this website offers diversified methods to make money online. Okay, and so this is the website. Just make sure to visit it if you want to make money online. Just go with this one, it's a great one, and I've already shown you the income proof. Okay, the second one in our list is radio.fm. So radio.fm is another website that will pay you just to listen to radio. Okay, this is all you have to do. So this is how the website looks like, and it is another good website. So this is a radio station, and they will pay you just to listen to listen. Okay, so this is how it works. They will send you an invitation to take a survey, and you listen to and rate the short music samples on the secured server, and the third step is to claim your reward on the form of Amazon gift card. So for this one, it is great, but the reward is in form of Amazon gift card, and it is not PayPal money. So if you can take Amazon gift card, if you can benefit from them, could be a good thing if you love it. If not, let me show you the third way. So the third website is Music X-Ray, and I've already shown you the income proof, and this is the income proof of $39.5. Okay, so this is another legit website if you want to make money online. And for this one, they want you to support new artists, because it's not easy for them to gain recognition and fame. So that is why those new artists will pay this website. So it will launch surveys, and basically what you have to do is to listen to those musics and give you honest feedback. And once you do that, they will give you money. Okay, they will share the split with you, and you will make money from this website just by giving your honest opinion about music, and at the same time you're doing something that you already love, which is listening to music. Okay, so this is the third website in our list. This website is very easy if you want to join. The sign up process is very easy. You don't need me to show you how you can do this. You can connect with SoundCloud. If you have a SoundCloud account, you can sign up using the default sign up process that you already know, or you can log into your account if you know this website. But I assume that if you already know this website, you won't stick in this video. Okay, so just here is a tip of advice from me. If you're making money online using those advices, don't expect to make it on the long run. Okay, those methods are just if you want to make quick money. Okay, and it's not big money. Okay, let's be honest, it's not big money, and you cannot expect to be rich doing this. So save that money and start a real business. And in the description box, okay, there is a link. I want you to click on that link and to join our community. And once you do that, it's not free. Actually, it's not free, but it's not expensive too. And you have a 30 days money back guarantee. If you notice that this is not for you, you can simply cancel before the 30 days, before 1 month. Okay, and like that, you have nothing to lose. Okay, so I want you to join this community, because this is what I'm doing for a living, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to start a real business, something for you, and not to join a company or a website, because if you do that, you're not so far from the 9-to-5 job, because in the end, it's a website that gonna shut down one day. Okay, and I don't want you to be stuck with a website. I want you to start a business for yourself. Okay, so make sure to visit the link in the description box, and thank you so much for watching this video. But if you did, and if you stick till the end, then I would assume that you can start making real money online. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one.